Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Amy June, and here on this channel I like to do all the things. Cleaning, cooking, decorating, business behind the scenes, party planning, party prep, planning in general, and more. And if you are returning, it is so great to see you. Yes, I am a wet dog right now. I took the opportunity while my husband ran to the post office to deliver my lash orders and pick up groceries from Walmart. I washed my hair and just gonna let it air dry for a little bit and blow dry it later. But super casual. It is Saturday, the day before Father's Day, and today I'm just prepping. We are hosting a barbecue tomorrow afternoon, so I'm just gonna unpack all of the Walmart groceries that we got, and I'll show you everything we got and kind of explain what we're doing with each thing. But yeah, just come along for the rest of the day with us, and thank you so much for being here. I also put some self-tanner on, so I am looking, my face is always a little bit more red, I feel like, but I did put some tanner on, so just in like super loose clothes and shorts. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear tomorrow for the barbecue, and it's 80 degrees today, finally. It's been overcast all week, so, you know, I can't be super pale. So that is one thing that I did. I already did work for the day. I do own a digital marketing agency if you are new here, as well as an eyelash brand. So I got all of my tasks done for that this morning. I have a few things to do this afternoon, but it's nothing major. So just going to do things around the house. I'm going to decorate a little bit for the 4th of July, which I absolutely love decorating red, white, and blue. It's probably my second favorite. I love patriotic stuff, but fall's my all-time favorite. If you know, you know. But yeah, let's get into this beautiful day. And so we've been having this issue where the dogs just bring in a ton of dirt, and I have to clean like 10 times a day, like wipe the counters down, wipe down everything. So I'm done. We got quotes for turf, and just in the dog area it was like $8,000, and I'm like, I'm not paying $8,000 for the dogs. If it was like in a spot that like our family and friends and people can enjoy, okay, but this spot only the dogs go. So I'm like, yeah, no. So at the end of our street there is like a landscaping company, and my husband just ran over there to check out some turf. It is used, it could have some lines, but honestly no one really goes over there. If it can alleviate and help me make my life easier, then yes. So I will take you along on that process, give you an update like on if he gets anything, and if we do install it I will obviously film that. And yeah, just wanted to share that part with you. I'm vlogging. What happened?
No, they have it. I mean, they have it, but Caesar wasn't there, so I couldn't make it easy.
Okay, so here's what I got. I didn't get a ton of stuff, but I have to clean still. I still have that, which was up here. Gifts for my husband and my dad. Camera, another camera. So I just need to clean this whole space up. And this is what we got for tomorrow. Well, some of the stuff we already have for tomorrow. So we're gonna do a barbecued ribs. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. And then we're gonna do build your own baked potatoes. So we got some baked potatoes and bacon, chives. We already have sour cream and cheese. And then I just got some blueberries and pineapple and a cantaloupe here. And we have strawberries to just do some fruit. We're gonna do some street corn, and that's pretty much it. My husband needs this for the ribs, some coarse salt. Oh, and then I'm gonna do beans. So you use these, and then you also add in other ingredients. I will actually show you that, and it's also gonna go in my barbecue sides video. I do have a video coming soon of some barbecue sides you can take to parties with you and things like that. I think I have like 4 recipes so far. Tortillas just because we needed them, tater tots because who doesn't like tater tots, turkey sausage, we just needed more eggs, Yakult. This has really been helping me with my stomach issues. I won't get too TMI, but it really has. And tortillas because we needed them, and English muffins. And then I got these on Amazon for tomorrow. So it's gonna be like a barbecue theme for Father's Day. We got little baskets to eat our food in. I got some red silverware, balloons that say Happy Father's Day. So I'll kind of show you that. I'm going to set up a lot today, and I'm actually going to prep the beans today and cut up some of the fruit today just to have things prepped for tomorrow, so I'm not doing it last minute. Maybe I'll make some cookies. Oh yeah, I will. Which reminds me, let me pull some butter out, do some cookies, and then I'm gonna decorate this for the 4th of July. And then I just got this really cute little sign for the bathroom, and it just says red, white, and blue. Got this at Walmart, and I think it was like $6, but it's got like a flaw on it, but it's totally fine. I love it.
can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best. were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest.
Now we just have to add the bacon to it, but I thought I would prep it as much as I could first, and then we will bake these tomorrow. But getting them prepped makes all the difference. My happy birthday balloons, 2 of them came ripped, so I can't use those. Husband has steak on the barbecue. I have the bacon going in here right now. I am, let me cover it, but I'm talking to my graphic designer. Kind of always working, but doing stuff around the house too. And just going to set these aside until the bacon is done. I love this little serving dish. We got it from my husband's mom's, one of her best friends, I believe. I love it. And then next up, we are gonna do some cookies. The boys wanted chocolate chip and my mom wants a batch of whatever they want. So we're gonna be making quite a bit of cookies tonight. I think that he wants to say hello to YouTube. Hello, Lucy. Hi, my little buddy. He's the cutest guy on the planet. Just kidding, Diesel's cute too. You can't be the only cute one, can you? You already had dinner? You had dinner? Now you're snoozing? He's king of the castle. But he just lays here so calm, so we just let him stay, huh, buddy? Say hello to YouTube, Zeus. Say hello to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. This last one has not set out very long, but we're gonna melt it anyways, and then we're gonna let it cool down. The bacon smells so good. I don't eat bacon, but it smells really good.
days we were young and had nothing to do. I used to pick you up and drive to a place we could talk for hours. Sometimes we'd run out of words to say, but we didn't mind. 'Cause we could lay on the ground and just stare into each other's eyes. And I remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall, trip and fall. Lying to our parents of our whereabouts and what we did, and drinking liquor out the bottle at a party we knew no one there. And we didn't even care if we stayed out all night, 'cause we always had each other, always had each other, always had each other. We always had each other. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. Living on the edge, we were living on the edge. We didn't care about the rest, care about the rest. I thought that it would last forever, 'cause with you everything was better. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall.
So tonight is kind of a different type of night. It is Saturday. I still did get quite a bit of work done for a Saturday. I did start the vlog after I worked, but I did kind of work in between things, talking to my employees and things like that. They can choose if they want to work on the weekends, or if they don't, then they don't have to. But yeah, so now I'm here and I'm going to plan my day for tomorrow, so I will show you that. Tomorrow is going to be a family day for the most part, but I still have work that needs to get done, social media posts that need to go out for clients, emails that need to go out for clients, so I'm just going to make sure all that's dialed in, touch base with my graphic designer, send him some messages, and so he can see those in the morning. And yeah, so I will just take you through that process. What I meant by like kind of different is it's late, it's 11 o'clock, and generally I wouldn't be doing my skincare routine at 11 o'clock at night. I would already have it done. I would be in bed by like 9:30 lately, and planning my day out and catching up on any emails or anything. I like to do this before I go to bed because it just makes me rest better. If I wake up and I know exactly what I need to do the next day, I wake up, there's no guessing, I know I need to do X, Y, and Z, so that is definitely helpful. And I've been doing it in my bed because I find that if I do it in my bed, my brain, like our brains are like programmed, bed equals sleep. If I do it in my office, I will plan my day, and then I will continue working and working. It'll be 2 a.m. and I won't even realize it. So I've been doing it in bed, and it has been working really well because I calm down and relax and all that. So let's get to planning for tomorrow. So I'm here in bed. I have my pajamas on, got a water, and I'm going to plan my day out for tomorrow. And this is how my digital planner looks. I put my priorities and then the rest of my to-dos. Tomorrow is going to be a majority of home stuff and family, so it's not going to be too heavy. And then I am going to schedule it by time. I am going to give myself time to sleep in because, as you see, it is already 11. So now that I have my day planned out, I am going to edit. So I have my hard drive, memory card. I'm going to get this video edited and hopefully up tomorrow morning. I'm not really sure how many people are going to be watching YouTube on Father's Day, but I don't know. I just want to get it up. I'm feeling inspired, and I had a little bit of time today, so why not do something that I love, which is YouTube. And it just unfortunately goes to the wayside because it isn't something that makes me money, but I like to do it and I really enjoy it, so I do it when I can. Thank you so much for being here. Stay tuned for part 2, which will be tomorrow, and everything that I do tomorrow. We're doing a really cool baked potato bar, corn, ribs. You'll get to see how the cookies turn out. So I would love if you subscribed, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Nothing no more.